Guys, remember my first ever video? It was 2 years ago. And after a year, I got my first 100 subscribers. Then I was consistent for a few months, then stopped. Then did the same, and then stopped. And then I was back like 9 days ago. I will be consistent forever since then. When I was back, I was around 520 subscribers. And today, I hit 600 subscribers. Almost what I did in 1 year, I did in 9 days. Now that I reflect about it, I got over 500 subscribers in a year, but the year before it was only 100. I have done like 90x better than last year. That means that we actually improved. I did this while taking 5 months breaks between each. Now imagine how I would be next year after being always consistent. I'm very confident that we will reach over 1K subs at the end of the year, and maybe even more. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I can't explain the feeling I got when I woke up and saw that I hit 600 subscribers, and looked back at all the previous years. You are the most loyal fanbase anyone would want to have. Technically, we are the fastest growing channel in the Roblox news niche. Not in subscribers, but in subscribers per week based on current subscribers. For example, Chaseruni has over 900k subscribers or something. He averages about like 4k subs per week or something, I don't know. While I have 600 subs, and I'm averaging about like 70 subscribers per week. I'm not officially the fastest growing, but technically. Thank you again. If you don't know me and got recommended this video, please subscribe so we reach 1000 subscribers at the end of the year. Thank you very much again. If you don't want to subscribe, at least watch my videos. It would help recommend my channel to others who may want to subscribe. Thank you very much again. Goodbye.